So I'm making a romantic brunch of heart-shaped bacon and sheet pan pancakes with strawberries and mini chocolate chips. So those are both going in right now, and I will make sure to leave the recipes below for you guys. Wow, you guys, look how empty the garage is right now. Our main 2-car garage has both cars parked in it right now. Thanks to Chris, he's been working hard all day to build the shelves and get it all ready. Okay, I'm gonna show you the grand reveal. Is Holly with you, baby? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Now this is gonna be his workshop area in the back, which he's gonna organize later. But look, yeah, don't pay attention to that yet, but look how nice everything has been stored. That whole side right here is Christmas. If you can believe it, it's actually less than I thought, but it does take a whole rack on its own.
Oh,
and the trees on the top, yeah.
And this.
Those are garlands, yeah.
And this.
Which one? That's not really, that doesn't count.
Space.
The empty space doesn't count because that's going to be Valentine.
No, this is Valentine's. That's for the one more Christmas box that remains.
Oh, okay, you're right then. Let me zoom out so you can get a... So when you guys are always like, where do you store your stuff? Here you go. In plastic bins like from Target. And maybe not as crazy as you thought. Or maybe it is. So my Valentine tree is complete. I decided to do it in my beauty room just because it's extra girly here in my beauty room, and it just seemed to go really well since I had a white tree in here, and I don't know, it just fit my vision more of what I was going for. So here it is all completed. Let me zoom in so you can see some of the details. So the ribbon has some sparkles to it, and it's pink, and the hearts are pink, white, and red, and then the base behind the ribbon is pink, and I did get it from Michael's, and I got these little heart ornaments from Michael's, and these little picks, these sparkly conversation hearts that are in all different kinds of colors. There's pink, purple, green, and yellow, I believe. Then I have some girly ornaments incorporated throughout as well. Yeah, I didn't really want to buy a lot for the Valentine tree, so I just used what I had. The only thing that was purchased was the ribbon and the little heart ornaments. Oh, and then my mom did get these open hearts from Hobby Lobby. I only have a couple of those distributed throughout the tree, but I really love the added element they give. So yeah, here's my cute little Valentine tree. So I marinated the chicken that I'm making tonight with some Greek yogurt and paprika and oregano, other kind of spices, salt and pepper. And then I'm air frying it right now. Of course, my pal's next to me, Holly, as always, when I'm cooking. So I'm air frying it right now. Just started. And then I'm also boiling some water for some rice, and I'm making some green beans. Okay, excuse the horrible film quality right now because it's dark out, and I just realized I never vlogged to tell you guys what I'm doing tonight. But I'm meeting up with Aubrey and Kiana, 2 great friends, to just have some girl time. We're gonna do a charcuterie board, and I brought some yummy cookies. I don't know about you guys, but I love these really soft sugar cookies. So I brought these for us girls, and Aubrey's bringing some wine, I think, and we're just gonna have some girl time. And yeah, I might vlog, I might not. I'm sure we'll take a picture or two and I'll share with you then. I forgot to show you guys my beautiful roses from our dating anniversary was on Monday. Yeah, Monday. So we have now been together for 5 years, married for 3 years. And yeah, just had to show you. Oh, also, you put a little touch of purple in there to represent him because he loves purple and I love that. I think there's another one. There it is. So Chris brought me some canes and look at this one. What? Her white's chicken. She's being very patient. My new desk came in. So I've always wanted a fig tree plant, but they're usually really pricey. And look how beautiful this one I found on Vigly.com. Now, it's a beautiful, huge piece, because I don't know if you can tell from this mirror, but it's pretty large. Yeah, there's Lola. But I'm gonna be putting it into my office to give it a little bit more warmth. And I actually really like the plant because of the base. Looks very realistic. I love that it has the real wood texture on the bottom, so it looks like a real base of a real tree. The leaves are nice. They were pretty dusty, and they still are. I'm trying to clean them off really nice, but they do have a pretty realistic appearance to them once you kind of fan everything out, and I'm still kind of playing with the tree. I'm sure you guys know when you have a fake faux tree, you have to play with it a little bit to make it look nice and real. I'm definitely gonna be putting it in a much bigger base. This is the base it comes with, but I'm going to be putting it into a larger planter so it looks really nice. But let me show you how it looks in the room setting. I know that picture's super funny, huh? They're gonna hang that in my office. Doctor got it in Mexico a while ago. But there's Lola's. Hi, are you waiting for some eggy bites? You guys are gonna laugh. I'm gonna tell you a story. So really sad news. You guys know that really comfortable dress that I love and wore a lot during the spring and summer last year. I called it my judge robe dress, and it was like my bloated dress. Yeah, so I was wearing that today, not this dress. I was wearing that dress today and I was about to leave, rushing out the door, and our bathroom handle caught the dress and ripped it. Ripped it. I'll show you when I get home. I'm so sad and it's not fixable. So, RIP to my favorite bloated dress. I got so many compliments on my necklace today, and it's from Stella and Dot, but from a while back. Do you guys remember this necklace? I never wear necklaces. They usually irritate me. See that cheeky little gift in the back there? That's for Bev. It's her 75th birthday today. We're gonna celebrate at BJ's Brew House. It's like a family restaurant, and they're the first ones to ever come up with a pizookie. If you've never had a pizookie, it's a cookie in the shape of a pizza, but it's all warm and gooey with ice cream on top. It's phenomenal. So I'm pretty sure that's what Bev's gonna want for her birthday cake, but I also just went and got her a card. We already got her gifts, but I needed to go and get the cards. So I got that. But also, Chris didn't have the best day today at work, so I wanted to cheer him up. And we love these Swedish fish hearts. And I got 2 cheeky little candies. I'm pretty sure these are new for this year, the strawberry shake M&Ms. Have you guys heard about these? I'm so curious about them. We're definitely gonna have to do a Try It Tuesday, but probably just within the vlog because I don't have enough treats. There's not enough new treats that come out for me to do Try It Tuesday anymore, and I know you guys missed that, but because we did themed treats like for Easter and Valentine and stuff like that, they don't come out with that many new things. Plus, I'm still trying to be super healthy, We have candy here and there, but gotta be good. So yeah, I will definitely let you know how these strawberry shake M&Ms are. We'll have to try them later in the video. And I already know that these are amazing, and they're in the shape of a heart. So how could you go wrong, right? How could you not be happy with a heart-shaped candy?
bar. You got this. It's still one breath to me.
Happy Friday, everyone. I have my Dapper James sweater on today. Got it last year, but it's really cozy. It's just some casual. So you all might remember that I did these floating candles for Christmas time, and I just replaced the Christmas little objects with these really cute heart beads that come in like a matte and a shiny surface. They were found at Michael's. You can use your 20% off coupon for them too, and they're just so easy to make and super cute and festive, easy decor for Valentine's Day. So thought I'd share that with you guys too. So I had some yummies come in the mail from Built Bar. I did order these. So these are like my go-to, the coconut, the original coconut. They only have 4 grams of sugar, 4 carbs, and 17 proteins, and 130 calories for each full bar. I don't usually eat a full bar. It's very rare unless I'm doing a meal replacement. Usually I have these for snacking, and I'll cut them into little pieces, and it gives me my little chocolate fix, and it really tastes like, this tastes like an Almond Joy to me, or a Mounds, I guess, because there's no almonds in this one, but they do have some with almonds. Oh, they're so good. And then these I've actually never tried. So this flavor, the churro puff flavor, I have not tried yet, I don't think. These are 140 calories, 17 grams of protein as well. Let's see how much sugar. 6 grams of sugar, so a little bit higher in the sugar and definitely higher in the carbohydrates. But I'm gonna tell you right now that the puff variety are my absolute favorite, and they're the ones that I repurchase the most other than this bar. So let's give this one a try. I'm really curious. They're also gluten-free, lots of good stuff in these bars. That's why I love them so much. Okay, let's open one of these up and see what it's like. This is what it looks like. It's covered in dark chocolate, real dark chocolate. And this one is puffing up so much that it like kind of went overboard there. Okay, let's give it a taste. It's such a fluffy texture. It does a little bit taste like a churro. It just tastes like a chocolate nougat candy with a little bit of cinnamon, you know? So that, yeah, it does have that churro yummy cinnamon taste, and it does have a little bit of a bakery taste, but definitely good. Just like doesn't give a flavor punch. Not my favorite puff I've ever had, but I do like it. If you like cinnamon, if you love churros, then this probably won't disappoint. So yeah, better than Valentine candy. I also got a HelloFresh meal box in this week, and these are going to be the 2 meals that we try out. Not sponsored this time. I'm telling you guys that even though I have been sponsored by HelloFresh before, I constantly purchase it on my own as well. So this is the Italian chicken over lemony spaghetti, yum, with zucchini and chili flakes. And then we've got some meatloaf with creamy thyme sauce plus garlic mashed potatoes and Brussels sprouts, roasted Brussels sprouts, yummy. Both of these sound delish. So you will be seeing me making these next week. Okay, date night in. Just picked up some sushi at Raw. We've got spicy tuna, of course, gotta have it. Las Vegas roll, which this is the only Las Vegas roll that we like. We've tried many at many restaurants. And edamame. And we're about to, Chris is getting ready over there. We're about to watch the Jonah Hill and Eddie Murphy new movie. I can't remember the name. I'll insert the image right here. And yeah, okay. We're hungry, so I'll tell you what we think after. Okay, mega fail because it's next Friday, but we want to watch it. You guys go save it to your list too. So in between making some yummy treats, which I'm going to show you guys in a second here, I am trying on a couple of my new things I got in from Amazon, and one of them is this sweatshirt. And I already love it so much because it's really nice and warm. It has this like really soft fleece lining, and look how cute it is. Only you, yours forever, text me YOLO, you rock. So just really fun next to my Valentine tree. I made Nutella swirl brownies to take to someone's house that we're going to tonight. We're actually going to Jennifer's house and going to do a game night tonight with them. So I wanted to bring dessert. So yeah, I don't know if you can't really tell right now, but before I cut them, oh, you can see the Nutella right there. But yeah, I was going to cut them into hearts, but then I would have only gotten 4 brownies, so I'm gonna make them cute and festive with a little bit of decoration and a little bit here. Chris is working out in the garage, and I'm making us a little bit of lunch, making some BLTs. I've toasted some bread, already added the salt and pepper to the sliced tomatoes and some lettuce on there. And Chris likes, whoa, Miracle Whip, gross, can't stand it. I like Best Foods, real mayonnaise, so I have to like put these next to each other like that so I make sure I don't mix them up. And then I also put some mozzarella cheese on the other half of the toasted bread. And I'm gonna grab the bacon that's on, it's actually refried bacon from earlier this week. All right, let me fully assemble these. All right, makeup on since you last saw me. I still have the same sweatshirt on because it's so comfy, but I did change to jeans. And we're going to Eric and Jennifer's house. They are hosting a game night, and they're making, or Jennifer made Philly cheesesteaks